Do you know Max, the German Shepherd from Tennessee who became a hero? One night, while his family was asleep, a fire broke out in their home. Max, sensing the danger, sprang into action. He barked loudly and jumped on their beds, urgently waking them up. Thanks to his brave actions, the family escaped the fire safely despite significant damage to their home. Max's quick thinking and loyalty turned him into a local hero, showcasing the incredible bond between pets and their owners and their extraordinary ability to protect and save lives. Comment your dog's name if you love your dog.